Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw Mickey Mouse. So let's start. Mickey Mouse is one of my most favorite cartoon characters. First of all, we'll draw the ears. For that, make a circle like this. Okay, one circle, then draw another circle, now join them both. Okay, okay, now we start drawing the face of Mickey Mouse. For that, make this shape. It's like writing M. Now join it from here and from other side also. Now extend it downwards and then again join them together. So this is the face. Now we'll draw the eyes. Mickey Mouse has big eyes. You know, I spent my whole childhood by watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey Mouse and Friends, Mickey Mouse movies. I just love Mickey Mouse very much. This character is so cute. Okay, now draw the nose. Color it black. Now a big smile, as Mickey Mouse is always smiling. Yes. So this is the face of our cute Mickey Mouse. Now draw the hands first. Now the body. In my further videos, I will draw more characters from Mickey Mouse and Friends. Like I will draw Minnie Mouse and Pluto, Goofy, so many characters. Draw the two circles. Okay. Now we'll draw the legs. So these are the two legs. Now draw the shoes. And make a tail here. Okay, so our drawing is complete. Now it's time for coloring. First of all, color the ears and head with black color. Now we'll color the body with black color. Finally, we'll color the shoes with yellow color. So our cute, beautiful Mickey Mouse drawing is complete. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.